Up for sale, I got a 1992 Corvette, finished in white with black interior. Gonna walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up and then drive. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Don't get these too often. 92 Corvette, C4, finished in white with black interior, like I said, black top. 51,000 and some change original miles in as close to pristine condition as you can for the mileage, of course. Very few marks throughout. Definitely collector maintained throughout the entirety of its life. Clean Carfax, all original body. Obviously, it's not like I'm talking about a C2 or a C3 or a C1. So let me start off in the front here, like I always do. I do know of two little marks right on the front here, but we're going to start here. One little tiny stone chip. Again, you know, stuff like that is going to happen on any kind of car. There's one that came off, and then there's two that have been touched up there. And that's a dog hair. Okay. Just gonna move very slowly. Like I said, 51,000. I think it's 500 or right around there miles. I have a picture of it on the ad. I've been doing a little bit of research on these cars, and I see a couple low mile cars, but sometimes they're beat up. Don't ask me why. Maybe, you know, low miles, not really treated like a collectible miles, I would say. Those kind of miles, you know, moved around your garage, shit thrown on it. So here, you know, what you would find on newer cars. Looks to be new tires. I didn't even have to dress them. They were already dressed when I got it. Any kind of curb rash, just a little tiny bit right there. Nothing else on the wheel. Even if you see in there how nice and black that is, all clean. Little tiny nick on this piece of trim there. Obviously no cracks on the dash pad. Obviously the glass is excellent. And definitely, I'm pretty sure the top is new. I mean, the stitching on here is in very clean condition. I mean, this would be dirty after so many miles. Looks to be redone. The fitment for it being redone is nice as well. Awesome door jamb. You got all those numbers down there. Door panel's excellent. Up there is excellent too. I mean, like, the car is really not even dirty. Looks like there might have been a sticker right there that was taken off. Nice leather seats. You know, you can't help but get a little bit of that wrinkling in there from it being leather, but they're excellent. No rips, no tears. Same goes for the other side. Carpet's in excellent condition. You see, I got the key in my pocket here. The only thing I know that is not done, or excuse me, let me see here. I'll show you that quickly. Can't read it. 51,636. Okay. Turn it off. Obviously pull that out. We don't want to hear that. They put a Pioneer radio in it. In the box, I have the original radio that belongs in the car. If you do want it, let me know. I'm probably going to pass it along anyway. Nice console here. The interior, other than the seats, you know, being a little wrinkled, driver more than the left, looks like new. Obviously needs nothing. I don't want to spend too much time on this walk around video. They're all, you know, I'm trying to find how to open this again. These cars are pretty self-explanatory. Open the hood for you. Okay, nice and locked in. Clean. I mean, that's clean, really. The engine compartment's clean and beautiful. Battery shut off. You gotta love those. Shocks in the control arm look great. AC, obviously. So that's that. Go around to the back of the car here. I see a little like, I don't want to say a scuff, but a little mark, like something rubbed up against it right there. Right about that big. That actually looks too big. You can't even see it, just a little mark. No rust, obviously. The underneath is beautiful. I have 2 pictures of it on the ad. I don't have to show too much. I mean, the black components underneath it that run like an X almost, but it's not the frame, that looks like new. It's turnkey, ready to go. Enjoy it. Again, top fitment is perfect right there. I'm going to try and speed it up just a little bit here. Tiny little mark right here. So I'm coming along the back here again. I noticed just a little rub right there. And another one right there. Just going to reach in here. Fire it up. And obviously there's no rust because it's fiberglass. That's a dumb comment. I'm looking for something here. Couple little, 3 little guys right there. Another excellent door jamb. Door panel. This seat definitely looks like not too many people sat in the passenger seat. Oh, and the only thing I noticed on the top is, well, it's excellent. Back window has no smokiness to it. And right here, maybe when it folds down it rubs. So it's not ripped through, it's just a little rubbing on the surface. That's it though. There you go, 92 Corvette, cream puff, 51,636 miles was it. We're going to fire it up now. I'll probably just do it myself since it's self-explanatory, and we'll drive it. Thanks for watching. Any questions, let me know. Any interest, let me know. Pictures, whatever, we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you.